and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a neon green inspired graphic eyeliner look that is worn all over the internet because in 2023 it's all about graphic, vivid, bold lines. As someone with hooded eyes myself, I know how frustrating it can be to find eyeliners that work well with our eye shape. That's why I handpicked this eyeliner look that is not only trendy but also vivid and flattering on hooded eyes. So if you're ready to level up your eyeliner game and experiment with a new style, then you're in the right place. Let's dive right into this eye-catching makeup look. Grab your Natasha Denona pastel palette and apply the vibrant peachy shade Bellini all over your lid using a blending brush. Focus mainly on the crease fold and blend with sweeping motions. Feel free to use any vivid eyeshadow color that matches your colorful eyeliner. The goal is to make your eyes pop. Now it's time for some pastel green action. Use the shade Zest from the same palette, applying it all over your lid with a round pointed dense applicator brush. I got to admit that the pastel palette by Natasha Denona can be a bit chalky and patchy, but the colors are so pretty. What do you guys think? I bought it a year ago and it's my only go-to for bright shades, so I would be glad if you would recommend me some good ones. Swipe Zest all along your entire lower lash line too. Now let's get that liner on point. I'm using Catrice 24-hour brush eyeliner in black. The precise tip makes it super easy to apply thin lines. Start from the inner corner and work your way out, keeping the lines narrow and gradually thickening them. Just remember not to go too thick. Adjust the thickness based on your lid space, especially if you have hooded eyes. Next, frame the tear duct with thin black strokes as well, but skip this step if you have close-set eyes. It's flick time. First, draw a point where you want your flick to end. It should be a little upwards, parallel to the tail of your brow. When creating the flick, leave a space between the upper lash line and the flick, extending the upper line of the flick in the direction of the crease fold inwards. We're not framing the entire crease fold with black liner, as you can see. Now add some flair with Fenty Beauty Limited Vivid Liquid Eyeliner in Lime Fever. Draw a stroke on top of the black flick. Now create a V-shaped line on the inner corner crease fold with thin, precise black lines. Then apply the same Lime Fever shade on top of the V shape. Also apply the green eyeliner along the bottom of the black eyeliner, framing the tear duct. Now it's time to tightline with L'Oreal Superline Kohl Liner in Midnight Black on your lower waterline. Next, double up on coats of Maybelline Sky High Mascara and Cosmic Black for each eye. Now reapply Test to your lower lash line for extra intensity. Last but not least, add some drama with trimmed Kiss false lashes in the design Blessed, applying them to the outer half of your lash line. Next, I'd like to show you how to rock some faux freckles. I'm using Charlotte Tilbury's Hollywood Contour in fair medium and a precise eyeliner brush to apply freckles. Once the freckles are applied, blend with a damp beauty blender for a more natural look. Now you can also intensify them with a brown liquid eyeliner if you want to, and then blend again with the damp beauty blender. For the lips, I'm using a gorgeous lip combo. First, neutralize your lip color with foundation, then line your lips with a brown kohl liner. I'm using Rival de Loop in Espresso. Next, I am applying Essence New Lip Hydrating Tinted Kiss Lip Tint in Chili Chill to the center of the lips. And I'm topping it off with Fenty Beauty's Gloss Bomb Lip Gloss in Cheeky. You can find the same shade in the Gloss Bomb Heat collection called Hot Cherry. And there you have it, a stunning colorful look that's sure to turn heads. Happy makeuping! Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might find it useful. Your support means a lot to me and helps me create more content like this.